Hey, it's your friendly neighborhood artist, and I'm here with a brush review. We are talking about TipTop brushes, watercolor 23, and 22. Now, if you're not familiar with the TipTop brushes, there's a lot of them, and they are really nice, but they do say that they update their brushes, and they make new ones. Now, I keep buying the mega bundle, and I went and I actually tested these brushes out for you. So if you have any of these, if you have these two packs, or you have one of the packs, you don't have to worry about the other packs. So I'm gonna make this bigger so you guys can see. So I did this one. Oh, I need a brush that ain't gonna do that. Can't do that. All right, so I did this can't see it. Dang it. All right, this was done with 22. This was done with 22. This was done with 23. This was done with 23. And this was done with 23. I used all of the brushes. It only comes with 12 brushes, both packs. But there is an extra brush inside of the 23 edition, which is just a pencil brush, and it's like, come on. So we're going to talk a little bit about these. So we're going to look at the two brush packs first. So we're not going to look at these clean ones. These two here. These two don't count. They're not part of it. I was just trying something, so just ignore it. So it has small round, liquefy, wet, soft, wet, hard edge, round glaze, shaper glaze, edge shaper, watercolor gold round, watercolor gold big mop, and watercolor paper. Now this is the 22 version. Comes with a sharp pencil liner, and it comes with all the same brushes. Personally, I believe that they did change one of the brushes. Let me figure it out. Which one? It's the watercolor gold round. So I'm going to use a really pretty color here, and I'm going to go over this. And I mean, it does a little bit of blending, just a little baby bit of blending. Like you're pushing it, more like you're pushing it around. As you can see, I'll zoom in. So you could see, it does a little bit right here. It's pushing around. You can blend it. I'll actually use a different color. I'll use pink. You can see where it turned to kind of purple. You really have to go hard. So it has these three different right over here. These are mostly used to make these little splotches. But I've actually used them for coloring because I feel that they're better than just for splotches. Oops. Overall, that is the only brush that is different in the pack between the two of them. I wanted to show you, like, there's nothing... I used all the brushes on all of these artworks. So there's nothing really different here. So I'm going to... Oops. I'm going to make a new layer. And I'm just going to fill it with white so we can just go over the brushes. I'm going to use blue. So this is a watercolor gold, okay? We're going to look at the watercolor gold from this. Let me get this same height. So it's... The difference between them is they have that little bar on them. I'm not sure what the bar does. I think it's a sizing bar. So you do get a little bit of that. We'll do gold round. This is gold round. Now that has one of these things here. I don't know. I really don't know what these are. Watercolor gold round. Now this one is one of the special brushes that has all these like different sizes. I'm not sure. I think the 23 ones are better than the 22s. We're gonna look at, what is this? Round texture glaze. We'll do it in pink. It has some nice, like, little, the lighter pressure. I really like that. Because it looks like kind of like messy watercolor. What was that? What did I just have? Round texture glaze. Where is that? Oh, they don't even have it. Do they have Big Mop still? Okay, so that is the difference. They actually do have a different brush. I bet it's this one. Oh no, it's probably new. It's a new brush. So the only thing they have is this round glaze, which is it's the same brush, but they've added something more to it. They just added a texture to it, to be honest. So they got rid of the round. They got rid of the round glaze. They made it the textured round glaze. Okay, so that's different. These hard edges are really for, like, I feel they're for, like, making hard marks like that. That's the wet hard edge. I'm pretty sure the wet hard edge is going to be the same for this one. Yeah, it's like identical. We'll do, I think I already did that one. We'll do the shaper. Do it in red. This one you can actually, like, layer on top of itself, which is kind of cool. That's the 22. And this is the other one. This one is definitely more opaque. It is way better than the other one. Here's the edge shaper. This is just opaque. That's the 23 one. This is just the same brush. It's just the same brush. There's no difference between them. It's just the same one. Wet soft we'll do real quick. That's more of like a coloring to me. Where is it? Wet soft. Here it is. This one is better where it can overlay itself, making little streaks in it. I kind of like that. The liquify tool is the same. It's meant to, like, kind of mesh two colors together, kind of like this. I mean, it's a blending brush with color. Huge mop is the same, and I'll just pick. That's the 23 one. Here's the 22 one. I just don't care for that one. Not at all. Small round. I'll do it in this. Small round is like your basic watercolor brush. I mean, I like it. That's the 22. Where is it? Small round. Here's the small round. I would say that this one is better. Look at that. I don't even think I could do that with the other one. Let's try. It's not as good. They definitely fixed it, adjusted it. Definitely adjusted it. I think that's really it. This pencil. Let's do the pencil real quick. It's just a normal pencil. Nothing special about it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just did all the brushes. There's not that many. So, I bought both. If you have the if you have the 2022, I probably would not purchase the 23 because all the brushes are almost the same. There's just slight variation, but if you really want the new one, just buy it when it's on sale. When it's on sale, it's like $8. Or buy the bundle, and then you'll get all of them. And just so you know, make sure that you actually keep the email it sends you for your content, because if you lose it, they don't send you another one and you can't access it through your receipts. And they don't actually have any good customer service. They have no customer service. I really tried. So there's some brushes I can no longer have access to. I would just have to rebuy them, and I think that's how they do business, which is unfortunate, but their brushes are really good, and I think it's just one guy who makes them, because I can't get a hold of anybody. I mean, I've emailed before. I've went through it. I wanted to thank you guys for watching this little brush review. Thanks for listening. Have a good day, guys.